Hello everyone, this is my homework, the 4 number 2. The headline is to control the temperature sensor using Arduino and C programming. First, let me introduce the program. This program is in Arduino. Before we define the variable, we must install the DHT library like this picture. Now we can see the program step by step. First, from this, we can see that we will already include the DHT library, which is necessary to interact with the sensor. And we specify the pin number connected to the DHT sensor and create an instance of the DHT class with the defined pin and sensor type. Then we initialize serial communication with a baud rate of 9600. Print a welcome message to the serial monitor. And then initialize the DHT sensor. From this, we will add a delay of 2 seconds between measurements to give the sensor time to refresh and read the humidity and the temperature from the sensor. So this way, we can check if the readings failed and points an error message. Now, from this, it can compute the heat index using the DHT sensor readings. The heat index is a measure of how hot it feels when relative humidity is factored in with the actual air temperature. Then we can print the humidity value and print the temperature in Celsius. Then print the temperature in Fahrenheit and print the heat index in Celsius. Then print the heat index in Fahrenheit. This problem using C# language. After open Visual Studio, we first create the interface shown on the right. Then edit the program. We can see the program step by step. This code displays a list of C# using instruction for a Windows Forms application that communicates with a serial port. We initialize a string variable named consistent with the value 0, and we choose an array of strings representing the names of the serial ports available on the system. And we add an item to a COM box control. This item could be a string or any other type that is convertible to a string. Then, this will set up the initial state of a COM box and handle exceptions that might occur during this program. It sets the selected item in the COM box to the first item. Then it enables the COM box and the button, and handles any exceptions that occur while setting the COM box properties and displays a variable in the COM box if an exception is caught. We will set the port name property of the serial port to the value selected in a COM box. Opens the serial port for communication. This is necessary before reading from or writing to the port. And set the interval for the timer to 100 milliseconds. Then attach an event handler to the tick event of the timer. This event handler is called every time the timer interval elapses. Then we can start the timer, so it begins triggering the tick event at the specified interval. This line sets the text of the text box control to the value of the sensor's variable. This line adds the sensor's value to the next box control. The line is used to read data from a serial port object until specified delimiter is encountered. Second, we can see the actual connect during the components from this photo. We can see the GND from temperature sensor is collected to GND in Arduino. The data from sensor is collected to pin 3 in Arduino. The VCC from temperature sensor is connected to the 5 voltage in Arduino. Finally, let's take a look at a video of the program running on Arduino. We can see that the temperature and the humidity values appear on the monitor as shown in the picture on the right. Then we will see a video of the program running on Visual Studio. Also, we can see that temperature and humidity values appear in the picture. Thank you for watching, and please give some suggestions